The graph of h of x is given by a to the power of x is sketched. A is a point, -1 is to 1 over 2, the point on h, and then they tell us with this one here, number 1, it's 0 is to 1.
Yeah.
They're asking you, why is this point equaling to 1? What did you say?
I said because anything to the power of 0 is equal to 0.
Why?
Any number, it's equal to 1, I would say. It's any number to the power of 0 is equal to 1.
Yeah, any number. Any number.
So Mr.
Power 1.
Suppose
Because
Mr.
Yeah, you can do it with mathematical. Is 1. In fact, they want it mathematical.
how?
You can
So
do this
it-
with a to the power of 0.
Yes.
A to the power of 0 is equaling to 1. Any number to the
Okay.
power of 0.
Oh,
Then we're done
if I
with
do
it.
can you ways?
Yeah, it's still fine. They will give you a mark. As long as you are telling them with any number to the power of 0 is 1. That's very important. Calculate the value of a. So we have y, which is equivalent to ax. Sub this point, we have 1 all over 2, which is going to be equivalent to a to the power of -1. And then this one here, it gives us 1 all over 2, which is going to be 1 all over a. Cross multiply.
Is to
A is going to be equal to 2. Again, okay, write down the equation of the inverse of h in the form of, so basically this one is y is equal to a to the power of x, which is 2 to the power of x. So since we have 2 to the power of x, we want to log it now. How do we log with the graph? We simply say this is going to be given as log base 2x. And then we are done. They can give us full marks here. So agree here there was no log. We log it. And then we're left with the log. But just to be on the safe side, maybe we can do this. We can tell them which whatever is x is going to become y. Then you have y, x is going to be equal to 2 to the power of y. This is logged. It says y is going to be equal to the log 2x. But they're still going to give you full marks. If you just log and unlog it, still going to get full marks. Okay? We are done with this one. We go to 5.2.4. This one is 5.2.3. Yeah. 5. Draw the graph of h, indicating indicate the coordinates of 2 points that lie on the graph. So which points are we going to take? We are going towards we are from the positive side. And then we're going towards the negative side. So it means it's going to look something like this. So we have this is how our graph is going to look like. So we can show them this point. This point is 1 is to 0. And then we'll also show them this one. This one, it says what you have 1 all over 2 is to -1.
It's negative 1.
And yeah, this is how our graph is going to look like. 2 marks or 3 marks. But the safest thing that we can also do is to sketch the graph using our calculator, if you are not sure. Okay, next. Reading from the graph, we want to read something from this graph here. They say we want you to tell us when log 2 is greater than -1. So we go and check -1. So basically what you want to know when y is -1, what is going to be x, which is this point that we have here. So we'll talk about it, this one here. So we're going to draw a line here. So we know when y is equal to -1, our x is equal to half.
Yes.
So what do we want? We want greater than, above. No? So above, we're talking about this part here. Above this line. So we have below the line and then we have above the line. Are you sure above the line?
Yes.
Okay, greater than -1. So what are the x values above the line?
It should be greater.
It should be greater than. So x should be greater than 1 all over 2. We still fine? Okay, next one. 5.2.6, we want g of x, which is this one, is equal to h of x. So let's equate them. So what do we have? We have 100 multiplied by 3 to the power of x, which is equal to 2 to the power of x. It's fine.
Yes.
Okay, we divide by 3x.
Yes.
Divide by 3x.
So
And then
Senang dulu tim mana sih lepas.
100 is going to be equal
Senang
to
pula tim mana
2 all over 3 to the power of x. And then we log it.
Ya, itu pun yang
X is going to be equal to log 2 all over 300.
Yes,
What is x?
negative 11,36.
Negative 11, 36
Yes.
sharp. So we're going to get a mark for equating them and then logging final answer. Then we're done.